This is the quick, easiest way of curve texting. So, you go to File, New. You can mess about with your height, width, and width settings and all that other stuff, but I'm just going to leave it how it is. That's how I normally have it when I'm printing t-shirts, basically. So, we'll just click OK. Lovely jubbly. Right, and then you click on text. Type anything you want. So, for example, I'll just go JPprint. That'll do, lovely. Right, and then you just click on this tick in between the circle and the 3D button. So you just click a tick, and then you click on this letter T and the arch underneath it, in between obviously the colour of the text and the some bit of like memory card thing look-alike in the old days. And then you just click on that. It'll come up with a box window, warp text, have a style, different loads of styles. So you've got arch, bold, shell, lower, upper, flag, wave, fish, rise, fish eye, inflate, squeeze, twist. But we'll be concentrating on the arc. You can mess about with these two as well, but I'll just go on a simple top one arc, and you just click it by the touch of the button, and it will be just like that. And then you've got three little things here. So you can make it ball curved. You can have it the other way around, the complete opposite, curved. Right, so we'll just go for 100, right, and we'll move it. Click OK. Click on the square button here, the second one in on this list. Right click it, free transform, and what you can do is then move it, lower it to your specifications, make it smaller. Like that. So if you're making like a badge or something, you can just do it like that, and you could have like an image there and then have another text the other way around. It just works a simple way. Alright, so that's how you curve text.